Right, so go to my hard drive. Okay, I need you to copy SQL Server 2012 and paste them in your PC. And don't run them yet. Copy and paste them anywhere. While waiting for the files to be copied to your PC, we will create some adjustment. Okay, so open programs and features. Okay, yeah, or you can click here and search for program and features. Add or remove program, yeah. And we want to see Windows go to programs and feature. Okay, turn Windows features on or off. Here I need you to find IIS. Okay, click the IIS function features. Click in the checkbox. Okay, click on the plus sign here. Click on the plus sign on the worldwide services. Okay, on the application development features. Okay, check ASP.NET, all ASP.NET and CGI. And then scroll down a bit. I think that is enough. Click OK. So you can inject this hard drive pass to boom. Okay, this one you can inject and pass it to boom. Okay. For the rest of you, if you have additional hard drive, you can copy my files from your panel. Okay. Okay. Click close. Okay, run my ISO. Okay, go to the ISO and can you mount it? Mount my file. Okay, double click setup. Click a new SQL Server scan and have to wait for it to initialize. So please be patient. The file is very big. You cannot put it in the tablet. I'm not going to allow you for more than 8 gig. You won't allow. Click OK. Yang mau hard drive Pak. Okay, click next. Just click accept and click on next.
Saya ada mouse dulu.
Please uncheck this. We want to have the variable. Click next. And
Dua ribu dua belas.
okay, everything seems to be good. So click on next. Okay. All right, just select all. Okay, next. Okay, next. All right, so you put as a default instance. Okay, click on next. Okay, there is already. So you have installed SQL Server before. Yes, here. Okay, in that case, I'll put in name instance. Just next. Click next. A mixed mode. So the parent is the one I put in the whiteboard. The current user. Click on next. Click add current user. Next. Next. Click add current user. Next. Click on next. Click next. Click next. And next. Please pause your video or stop it. Stop recording. And we have completed our installation. Right. So click close, and we are going to start our SQL database. Close everything. Okay. So now click on the Start Windows button. Find SQL Management Studio. Click on SQL. Yeah. No. So I think before this we have installed SQL Server 2008. Probably. That's why it detected an instance or default instance. So this might take a few seconds. All right, so I want to change this to SQL Server authentication. Login, you put in SA. SA stands for System Administrator. Password is the password that we have entered just now, ELSSSW. Okay. Connect. So we are ready to go on the databases. Okay, we have several databases inside, and we will continue to do some in the latest session. Stop. Okay. First, we will try using the mist mode authentication. So click on SQL Server authentication. Login is SA, and then enter the password. Okay, so everything's good. All right, and then we can also use the the trusted connection using connect. So using the trusted connection method, you click on the database engine. If you use click on that one, the Windows authentication, you can also connect to your database. Same thing. Okay? So this is the same instance. One connected using the mixed mode, one connected using the Windows authentication. So that's it. Stop your video. Okay. First, we will try using the mixed mode authentication. So click on SQL Server authentication. Login is SA, and then enter the password. Okay, so everything's good. All right, and then we can also use the trusted connection using connect. So using the trusted connection method, you click on the database engine. If you use click on that one, the Windows authentication, you can also connect to your database. Same thing. Yeah. So this is the same instance. One connected using the mixed mode, one connected using the Windows authentication. So that's it. Stop your video. Kan Paulina and okay. So your friend here is going to show how to create the database. Okay, share. Okay. Next, we first right click on database. Yeah. New database. Okay. Name it as Northwind. And then hit OK. Good. Right click Northwind. Click New Query. And paste. Whatever that you have copied from this file, you copy it again and paste it. Copy, download. You download it. Click on raw. Okay. Copy, Control A and Control C. Control V. Okay. So the last line you remove. Execute. Execute. All right. Command is okay. Minimize this window. Open Visual Studio. Open that SQL Management Studio. Where is your SQL? Okay. So refresh Northwind. Yeah. Refresh. Okay. Click on the plus sign. Click on tables. So now you have several tables. So this is how you create a database and seed it with outside values. So, add me in this conversation.
Lepas execute kemana?
Kalau refresh Northwind.
Refresh di tabel yang kita create tu.
Ini Northwind.
And once I've done that, there is this new database appear down below. And to create a table, what you will do is right click on the table folder and click new table. So let's say this table is a table for login. So for a table of login, probably we have something like username, probably like password, security level. Right. So probably we have these three. Once I am satisfied with the table fields, so this is called fields, just like the one you've seen in your MySQL mini class. So table, I rename it to something like login, and I hit OK. So I have this table with the following field. Field number 1 is username, field number 2 is password, field number 3 is security level. Let's say I want to change this to integer, and there is this drop down that I can choose what type of attribute, and then I hit save. If you have this kind of error, do not worry. What you will do is go to options, and on the designers, you click uncheck prevent saving changes that requires table recreation. Save it again, and you are good to go. Okay, so if I hit on the plus sign, I have this login, and then to fill in, I can either use the SQL command, or if the table field is maybe 2-3 field, I can just edit it and key in my details. As simple as that. All right, that's for table creation. Hafiz, stop recording. Next, you find dataset, and in this section, click new connection. Okay, so first you will create a new data source. Add project data source. Click database. Click next. Here I have a data set. Click next, and then click on new connection. So in this connection, I want you to click Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, can you follow along? Click on continue, and then when you are shown this window, your server name is the one you have here. So just copy and paste them. You can use Windows authentication if you want, or you can use the SQL Server authentication. Both can. Okay. If you have the right connection, you can find your database in this drop down. So click down here, test your connection, click on OK. Here you can either put yes or no. Click on next, and in the tables, click on login, and then finish. So if you run this application, you will have your data here. Okay. If you put in more data inside here, just add another row. If I run this application, the data will also be shown in the data grid. Okay.